Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to be working in a back sacada, a very common mistake that normally leaders do, and today we are going to fix it.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends. Okay, here we are. Let's show you the move for today and the tip for back sacada.
So basically what we did was a back sacada for the follower and then ocho cortado just to finish it. But the main thing that we are going to be working is in the back sacada and how prevent bumping to each other. What happened here? Should I explain it first for the leaders?
Yes.
So, side step 1, backward ocho, and this is how we enter into the back sacada. Now, we initiate the first rotation. Now, the goal for the leaders is to rotate the second, create the second rotation and step a little bit away from her. Did you notice that we are creating like a V shape? Yes, in order to do the back sacada. What we are trying to avoid, which is a very, very common problem from the leader, is that the leader thinks that it's a round thing and step too close to her. And this is when she won't reach, and also we are bumping away. Sorry, Miri. So the goal is to rotate, first rotation, leg, second rotation, and as we do the second rotation, we step away. Zoom. And from here, of course, you can keep pulling from the shoulder blade, tack, to adjust with her, and finish it in any movement that you want, ocho cortado or resolution.
For the followers, is to be patient. The tip is to be patient. Very hard for us. Is to go side step. We have the ocho. We have the lead to pivot. It doesn't finish here. I don't have to open the position, try to step. I don't have to do anything because he's lifting me, he's rotating me in axis. So I have to be patient to wait until he finishes all the walking forward step and the rotation for me on feet together. When I finish the feet together position rotating, then I can extend the right leg to enter into sacada. Then from here we walk back, side, front. We have ocho cortado in this case, and resolution. So be patient to keep the feet together until the very last moment. Let me show you if you don't do that.
Before that,
Yeah.
we would like to mention that we are wearing our own line of clothes. I'm using Tango DAPPER pants. You can see the banner here, and this is how they look. Higher waist, and we have a ton on our website, miriamleonardotango.com. A lot of colors and also the suit.
We are also using ESPLENDIDA. This is our tango skirt that we designed for you with a godette, very nice shape, and different colors. It's also on the website.
miriamleonardotango.com, in case you are interested. So now we have the other part.
So the tip for the followers is to keep the feet together until the very end, pivoting, 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 and then enter the leg for the back sacada. Now let's go back to the position and let me show you what happens if you do something different or wrong. If you start rotating and then you send the leg, then you will encounter with his foot, you can kick him, or you will have to do like an extra move to enter. So to avoid that extra move or uncomfortable position to enter the back sacada, keep the feet together, pivot, pivot, pivot until the very end. Don't rush. And then when you see the position, you can enter the leg for the back sacada. That's my tip for the followers.
Dynamic, we're going to count it, so you have it. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.